So here's a maths question and it fits with chapter 6. So it could come up in AS or A2. Now I'm going to hand over to my student Reem, who I'm really pleased. She's worked so hard over the 2 years. She's played the long, slow game and it's all coming together for her now in year 13. And so we've got our fingers crossed for some fabulous results. But this is what she's got to say.
So within this question, it tells us that the fish has a body mass of 0.2 kilograms. Because it's a numeric value, it's very important to underline this so that we can use it later on. And it says to calculate the volume of water it will need to pass over its gills each hour to supply the oxygen required when resting. And we need to use the tables that we've been given here. But the things we need to focus on are these 3 different areas. So in 1 dm cubed of water, we have 9 centimeters cubed. And that's the maximum concentration of oxygen. But we do also know that the fish can only take 80% of this oxygen. So we have to work out what 80% of 9 is. And if you calculate this, it should equal to 7.2 centimeters cubed. Now using this value, we know that in 1 dm cubed of water, a fish is able to take 7.2 centimeters cubed. To work out how many centimeters cubed of oxygen a fish will need, you need to use the mass of the fish and the oxygen consumption at rest, which is how many centimeters cubed, which is 100 centimeters cubed per kilogram per hour. So to do this, you take the mass and you times it by the amount of centimeters cubed, and this will give you 20 centimeters cubed. Now, all you've got to do is work out how many dm cubed you need of water. So if 1 dm cubed has 7.2 and you have 20 centimeters cubed needed, you do 20 divided by 7.2. And this should give you 2.78 dm cubed.